Hello, Mrs. Siobhan Parker.
Hello, Mr. Brandon Parker.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. We have a question of the day.
Okay, awesome. Who's the question from?
It comes from subscriber question of the day, Hall of Famer, Cydney Stephens.
Hi, Cydney.
I have a question.
Okay.
I am nervous that if I take the PCR test on a Friday, will the weekend slow down getting my COVID results for Monday selling? Carnival's site says for vaccinated passengers, they accept the rapid antigen as well. Here's the question. Which test do you guys take? And if we take a PCR and the results aren't back, will they test us at the port for a fee? I'm sure. Or just deny boarding?
Okay, so thank you for the question. That is actually a very good question. So, if you are vaccinated, yes, you can take the rapid antigen test. You do not have to take a PCR test. We have never taken a test over the weekend, so I'm not 100% sure. I know my family has, but it was also an antigen test. So my suggestion would be, if you can get an antigen test, to go ahead and take that antigen test. You get those results back within 2 hours. Sometimes they say 2 hours, but we've gotten ours back as soon as 45 minutes to an hour. So take the antigen test. I know if you go to Walgreens, the antigen test is called the NAAT test. And it's the same thing. You can take it through the drive-through. So for me, I would suggest taking the antigen test, just so you know you can get it back within 45 minutes. I've recently done it as soon as the same day. Also, yes, Carnival will test you at port, but from what I can remember, I think it's like $129 to get that test at port. So if you can get it before you go, absolutely get it before you go.
Well, Siobhan, that was very thorough.
Thank you.
And we thank you for your time.
Well, thank you for the question.
And I hope everybody has a stupendous day.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are...
Parkersonthego.
Yeah.